Thank you, Prabhuji. Maybe now we can have a question from the audience.
Okay, so Proji, I have one question that like nowadays many Hindu phobic ads are being popped out in social media, like Turani official did for Radha and Krishna. So these things are happening. So what is the cause behind this thing, and how spirituality addresses this issue?
Very good question. It's not Hindu phobia, it is hate for Hindus, I would say, because phobia means fear. People are not afraid of Hindus because Hindus are, by nature, very kind of non-aggressive and and very gentle, sober kind of people. Unless they are, of course, and if they are attacked, they may react. But it has been seen that Hindus are not like kind of aggressive towards other communities unless they are threatened. That's a fact historically, and that is proven by the fact that even in a Hindu majority country like India, the minorities are thriving and they are growing, right? So yeah, Hindus are not aggressive, so therefore they don't create fear, but it's more like Hindu hate rather than Hindu phobia. And this Hindu hate is, why it is there, that is, a different question. But how to deal with it? Just by being strong. You practice your religion. You be proud of your religion. Don't be shy, to wear tilak or, to, practice or, externally and internally. Don't be shy. Be proud of your culture and practice it properly. And it also not just externally but also internalize the teachings and follow your religion. Be very, the real Hindu. Try to be a real Hindu, a good Hindu. And that means by following the scriptures that we are taught. So yeah, by doing that, when you are internally strong, then you don't have to feel shy. Like say in some other religions, they are not like shy. Like say for example, they are not shy in wearing burqa, or they are not shy in wearing their particular attire. That is a good thing that we also have to learn and take inspiration from. So, but whereas if we don't practice our own religion, if we don't even before practicing, at least we should know what are the teachings of the Gita, what is the teaching of the Vedas. So for that we need to actually practice or attend this kind of spiritual discourses or spiritual programs. First learn what is spirituality, practice it, and be bold, be strong in practicing your own religion. That again doesn't mean that you should hate others. You respect others for what they are, but you be deeply rooted in your own faith and culture, and that is how we can counter this kind of attacks. And if anything, if there is something offensive, speak out. Don't feel shy to speak. That is another problem with Hindus, is that not everyone, but generally it is seen that we don't even react when we are attacked. When our faith is attacked, when our Devi devatas are attacked, or they are criticized, or this kind of things happen, we are silent. We should protest. When there is something wrong, something offensive, it doesn't mean we should be silent. We should be strong. We should be vocal about it, and not just being vocal when there is an attack, but also practice your own religion.